The integrity of the EcoLayer steam surface condenser is dependent on the quality of the tube end welds which attach the stainless steel or titanium tubes to the tube sheet. During the production of EcoLayer condensers, hundreds of tubes are manually inserted into the tube support framework. Once tube insertion is complete, a tube end welding enclosure is attached to the end of the condenser tube sheet. The enclosure provides a clean, dry, safe environment for fusion welding and is designed to accommodate welders and equipment. Before welding begins, the tube sheet surface and tube openings are carefully cleaned with a lint-free soft cloth and an approved solvent, such as isopropyl, to remove dirt, dust, oil, grease, and moisture. Cleaning is performed within 1 hour of welding the individual tubes. The welder is responsible for ensuring the cleanliness of the work area and the tube-to-tube sheet joints. The tubes are then expanded to facilitate a strong weld to the tube sheet. Tubes are trimmed flush to the tube sheet using a fly cutter tool, then milled to limit the tube extension to no more than 1/64 of an inch to prevent excess rollover or short-circuiting of the arc during welding. High-pressure air is used to remove any metal chips or debris. It is important to provide a properly deposited single-pass seal weld using the gas tungsten arc welding process, also known as tungsten inert gas welding. This fusion welding process uses no filler. Each tube is carefully welded to the tube sheet to provide a strong, leak-tight system. SPX heat transfer uses a fully automatic fusion process for tube-to-tube sheet welding. Welding is accomplished following a predetermined block sequence and in a way that prevents localized heating to an isolated area of the tube sheet. Visual inspection is a good indication of weld quality. Welds are carefully checked for surface defects such as cracks, pinholes, porosity, or sharp edges. Non-destructive testing is performed following the tube end weld process. First, the welds are pre-cleaned to ensure the penetrant makes contact with any possible defects. The red dye penetrant is then applied to the surface of all welds and is allowed time to soak into any flaws. The excess penetrant is then removed with a solvent. Finally, a white developer is applied to the welds. If a defect is present, the developer will draw red penetrant up to the surface, providing a visual indicator that a repair is needed. No defective welds are acceptable. Any defects must be repaired. SPX heat transfer welders and welding procedures are qualified to the latest revision of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers welding requirements. Quality control and test records are retained by the SPX Heat Transfer Quality Department for no fewer than 5 years.